just flowy, nice, graded trails. Equally as beautiful as the really hard stuff, just easier to get to. We woke up from the campground at 12,000 feet with some frosted bottles, but it really wasn't, that was the coldest night's sleep that I had by far. I put on every piece of clothing that I had, but by the time the sun came out, it really wasn't too bad. I think I didn't even have arm warmers on, if I recall.
All right, rip it.
So we had 15 miles or so of that slow going hike and bike, but beautiful scenery.
Day 10.
This section of trail is just really beautiful. A lot of flowing up and down. You're kind of on mountain ridges and going over a number of different passes. It is a very beautiful section of the Colorado Trail.
This is 12,900 feet.
985 feet down the drain.
That was only 1,000?
Yep.
Doom. He's back a little bit.
So I was terrible at riding bikes that morning. I wasn't super exhausted or anything. I think I was mentally just tired of how much focus it took to ride at any kind of reasonable speed. And all I wanted to do was get to Stony Pass, descend down, and eat lots of food in Silverton.
When we got to the end of this section, you hit Stony Pass Road, and I remembered Stony Pass Road as being one of the worst descents I'd ever experienced in my life. And for whatever reason, setting those expectations that way made it this time not seem so bad.
We got to Stony Pass. I did not shred my tire on the way down this time. It did not rain on us this time on the way down. We got to Silverton, and I think I ordered 3 meals from that food truck.
I think I ate a hamburger. It was good. And my brake pads were done. So I changed my brake pads in the parking lot. I had a lot of trouble getting the pistons in, but I was able to get them in eventually. And we did our last resupply at the grocery there in Silverton, and then started up Molas Pass, which was the last pavement of the whole CT. We re-entered the trail, and this is where I felt like our hard work paid off. It was actually good mountain biking.
This section of trail we had never seen before. Since last time we only made it to Silverton, from here on out, everything was brand new to us. Rideable, flowy trail. We couldn't imagine that we were ever going to see that, but we did. And it was pretty nice.
Oh, so the last 2 days, this is amazing.
I kept thinking that the guys were going to want to stop, and on every campsite I rode by, I was like, you guys want to stop here? And they're like, no, we're going to get over this next pass.
We rode until it got pretty close to sunset, and we made it over Rolling Mountain and descended a little bit farther down, and then found a nice flat area to camp, made dinner, and called it a night.